What's good everybody, welcome to a new video on my channel, which is actually my first one. As y'all probably could tell by the title, currently doing a 10k free trial on FTMO before I'm starting my actual life challenge. I done blew like already 7 or 8 challenges in the past, but that's just a part of the journey, I guess. Currently, as y'all can see, we are already at 10,371, are already like almost 400 in profit. Our target is almost smashed, and y'all probably want to know how I did that. That's what I'm making this video for. So yeah, I done only took like, I don't know, maybe around like 7-8 proper trades since I started this free trial, cause yeah, I really used to overtrade back then. Man, this music's hella loud, bro. I really used to overtrade back then, and that's what made me fail most of my challenges. But my new strategy is like yo, that's the wrong tab right here. Wait a minute. There we go. Yeah, my new schedule for my trading day is I only trade the New York session. I know it says that it opens on 2 p.m. over here in Germany, but I feel like the moment when volume hits the market is somewhere around like 3 p.m. That's when I trade, because before that time market is most of the time just consolidating, not having real moves, as y'all can see. That's why I only hop on the charts at 3 p.m. because when I hop on the charts before that, we get stuck in this consolidation and we ain't getting no real moves, and then you start to look for trades which are not really there, like somewhere around here. Wait, let me show you. Like for example, right here, New York session is supposed to be open, but we don't have no real structure in the market yet. You know, if we just watch the market for like 2-3 hours straight, you just getting fucking hypnotized by it, and you just enter some stupid ass trades. That's why I always wait for 3 p.m. like right here, and that's when y'all can see volume hitting the market pretty good, and that's when the actual setups happen. But I don't want to talk too much. Yeah, I simply trade supply and demand, and I'm gonna show y'all my trades which I took in the past, which brought me to almost 400 in profit already. So my first trade I took was on AUD USD. I looked at the market at around 30 past 3 p.m. and I saw this beautiful supply setup right here. Market kind of moved sideways. We had some higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, but no real structure in the market. And when volume pushed the market down, we had a pretty strong move to the downside and a break of structure, which I'm always looking for when I trade my setups. I always want a break of structure. I saw this break of structure, was beautiful, huge movement to the downside. Then market came back up to pick up some orders right here, and that's when I entered the trade, I think. Yeah, and this candle right here, as y'all can see, it went down pretty much. I entered somewhere around here, went for the 1-to-1 risk to reward, and got stopped out. Yeah, that's unfortunate, but luckily my loss wasn't that big because I cut it early. But then I saw, okay, maybe that was just a liquidity grab, because we had hella liquidity down here, like all this liquidity down here, right here, right here, and right here. So that could have been just a liquidity grab, and then we shot through the zone. So what I did, I deleted the zone, and we automatically had another break of structure right here. huge move into the upside, and I marked up this zone right here. I always mark up the last candle before the move. So I got stopped out right here, but I waited for market to maybe come back to the zone so we can enter for a buy. And that's what I did. I entered this buy right here, I think right on the candle break. I like to trade candle breaks. I entered it right here, and I think we went for the 1-to-1 risk to reward, and it shot right to my take profit. So that's what brought me like around 45 euros profit. Nothing too big. But then 2 days later, I think this was a Monday, we had a good trade on NAS. Let me find it real quick. It was on the 1st of March, right here. This was a beautiful trade, couldn't have been any more beautiful. So yeah, volume came in the market right around this time. We had a break of structure, which is one of our key confluences. Broke structure, had a strong move to the upside, and I marked up the last candle before the move happened. Market came to this zone, and sometimes market kind of wicks into the zone. If the zone is, especially if the zone is that big, it kind of wicks in, fakes you out, goes deeper into the zone, and then pushes down. So it was a bit risky, but I saw the break of candle and I just took the trade. My risk was like probably around only 50 bucks or something. So yeah, I took the trade on the break of candle and it shot right to my take profit. A beautiful trade, which got me 120 euros profit. And then 2 days later again, we had another trade on NAS 100. Yes, right here. So again, volume came in the market right around this time. This is my key time when I hop on a chart. We had a break of structure right here. Market broke this high, shot to the upside, came back down. And you could have waited for the break of candle, but because of these candles just wigging into the zone and not even closing in the zone, and that twice, like it wigged into here, candle closed, came back down and went up. There was a big confluence for me to go into a buy right here because market wants to go up. So I entered right here. Also, I would have been perfectly fine if I entered right here, went for a 1-to-1, but I got in right here. My stop loss was right around here. I tried to keep my losses pretty small, and my take profit was right here. So yeah, we shot right up there and secured another 100. This is the current week we are in. This was a Monday, and we currently are in an NFP week, which means market is doing whatever the fuck it wants. So you gotta be careful with your trades, and we placed 2 trades on US 30 yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was a pretty fucked up day. So yeah, I came into the market looking at this. We had a break of structure right here, or break of high, and I marked up this zone. I know it wasn't the last down candle, but you can obviously see if we go to the 3-minute chart that this right here is an order block. So I marked this one up, and price came back down, went back up. I don't know where exactly I entered. Yeah, but probably around right here or something. My stop loss, I guess, was somewhere around here, and we got stopped out. But this is exactly what I just told you before. Sometimes the market wants to go a bit deeper into the zone. Like right here, it wigged in, faked you out. A lot of people enter right here, and then it goes in deeper into the zone, picks up more orders, and then shoots back up. So when I saw that right here, I knew that market would go back up again. So we entered, I don't know, I think on the candle break. Yeah, my stop loss was pretty big, and I also just risked $50 on this, so it was a pretty small trade to at least get out this loss we took earlier. And it shot up right to my take profit. Now, actually, what happened was I aimed for a 1 to 2. Yeah, that's what happened. I aimed for the 1 to 2 so we could get a little more profit out. And what happened was market wicked up to here, teased my take profit, and I wasn't able to close it manually, so went back down. And right around here probably I took my profit. I traded my stop loss until right here. So if market reverses, we at least end on break even for the day, because we took a loss earlier, and that's what happened. I closed this trade right here. As y'all can see, we took this loss earlier and I closed this one, so we went out with like $10 profit, at least not negative for the day. And yeah, that's what happened. It was pretty unfortunate. We could have got like $100 on this trade, but shit happens. So yeah, I think right there was done for the day, and then we come to today's trade, which was one of the craziest trades I ever took, bro. Like, bro, if I'm telling you, bro, today was crazy as fuck. We had some news on USD right around 4 p.m. and I saw this right here. Clean break to the downside, break of structure, beautiful setup. Market wicked in here and I got in aggressively right here, because yeah, I thought market would go down even more, but we got stopped out right here. And we took us, was it this trade? No, actually no, it was this trade right here. Now this trade, don't mind this trade was just some, I wanted to test out which lot size I gotta type in. Then I entered way too big, I closed this trade. Like, these two trades were just experimenting with my lot size, but then yeah, this loss right here was this one. And we took a pretty big L to the face. But then I saw US 30 having a beautiful setup right around here. We had a break of structure again, smooth move to the downside, came right into my zone, wicked kind of into the zone. So yeah, we had a pretty big wick to the upside, which is always a good sign for market to reverse. And then market came back down. I kind of entered on the candle break like a little bit earlier, and I almost got stopped out. Like, market went up to here and I was like, damn, 2 losses in a day, $200 down. But then news hit. Like, the crazy thing was, I entered this trade and I swore to myself, bro, right before news hit, it don't matter how much in profit I am, I'm gonna get out. Because my last free trial I was in, I traded news and shit just shot up so bad that my stop loss got hit so late that I got out with like $300 in negative. So yeah, I actually didn't want to trade news, but news went in our favor today. And just look at this crazy move, bro. Yo, this shit was crazy. Like, today was the craziest day and we actually got $185 out this trade. I know the trade was risky. I shouldn't have took this trade, but right now I'm kind of glad that I took it, because we got out this loss right here and like a bit more profit, somewhere around 90 profit today. So yeah, that's my current status. I'm currently at 10,371 and we only got $130 to go to hit our take profit. And if everything goes well, I'll do a couple videos on my live trading account when I take the 5k challenge on my forex funds. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope I could give y'all some knowledge, show y'all how I trade. This is a pretty good strategy. Like, supply and demand is just, it's just a flawless strategy if you master it. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll keep you tuned on the next trades I'll take, maybe tomorrow. I don't know. But yeah, See you in the next video. Bye.